Welcome to Stress News. My name is Samantha Emerson, and my colleague is Peter Easton.
We have energy advisor Jonathan Harper in the studio. He will tell us how to get more energy in our daily lives. Today, he will talk about how we can move our focus away from our thoughts so that we can fall asleep.
Jonathan, what do you recommend when we can't fall asleep?
I will start with a simple exercise. It will move the focus from our thoughts so we can fall asleep. And additionally, we will talk about how MP3 files also help us fall asleep.
Tell us about this simple exercise.
If we can't fall asleep, we can use this simple exercise. We count backwards from 100 to 0, and saying only every other number, i.e. 100, 98, 96, and so on. It requires a little more concentration when we are only saying every other number, so it draws our focus and gives us a better result. If our thoughts return, we say the word back, and then we go back to the last number we remember and start to count backwards again. Remember that our thoughts will pop back up many times and that this is normal. Don't give yourself a hard time about it, because it's bound to happen for all of us many times.
How does this exercise help?
It removes our focus from our thoughts and making it easier to relax. When we relax, we also have more focus to fall asleep.
Could you tell us about the MP3 files?
There are many MP3 files available on the internet that can help us to fall asleep. Most of them use a person with a soothing voice to guide us.
Why do you recommend them?
We can listen to them while lying in bed, and that can help us move our focus away from our thoughts, so we can fall asleep.
How do we find these MP3 files?
Search on Google for MP3 Sleep.
Have you used them with good results?
Yes, I have.
I've heard that some people use music to fall asleep.
Yes, if the music is quite soft, this is also a good idea. Many people can fall asleep to music. You can search on Google for music sleep, and that should bring up a lot of options.
Does it take a long time to learn to take the focus off our thoughts so we will be able to go to sleep?
Yes, it can take some time, but we have plenty of opportunities to practice because we go to sleep every night.
Jonathan, do you have any questions for those who have followed the broadcast today?
Yes, I do. Did you learn something new today?
Jonathan, what are you going to tell us tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will work on a new method for when we have too many thoughts.
Thank you, Energy Advisor Jonathan Harper.
See you all tomorrow on Stress News.